Alright, fam. So this is another one. This is another request. Um, I didn't even know this song existed, honestly. One song named Drumline, a Conscience Drumline. She said she liked the way me react to crap. Sorry guys. She said she liked the way me react to what was that song again? Baccals, right? That not sound right. She likes the way I reacted to the song that Conscience did entitled Baccals. Right? So say that, you know, we are getting a view right now. As you know, guys, like, share, subscribe. You know if you do already. You know, thanks for your support so far. Let's keep it coming. You know, so I'll go ahead and react to Baseline right now. All right, Baseline. Let's see what's going on. So, most things I did have one more than then, but let's see what's going.
Good area.
Hey girl, when you get that body them, so your body feel kind of everybody.
Me hope Granny not go dance, you know. Cause I don't know why Granny start out to smile so. We'll never see her. Right there, so behind the lady there. If I want them Granny video them in the night, you know. Alright. Can't do this stress.
He said, but you know really what I if I just put it in. Or if I doctor Miami put it in. Me just want to know so you keep your body fit. And if your body cock up, if you know fi manage it.
Sorry about the complaints, people. May I put it back up, alright? May I put it back up? From the start. May I expect that a while ago? You just jump in front of me.
Good area.
Alright, man, enjoy
Hey
this
girl,
now.
when you get that body them, so your body feel kind of everybody say. But you know really matter if I just put it in. Or if I doctor Miami put it in. Me just want to know so you keep your body fit. And if your body cock up, if you know fi manage it. Girl, body cock up and then turn up like a stick. But you know fi do your body like a when a clock a tick. You fi wine on the baseline. Tell you fi you wine on the baseline. But if you connect to your waistline, can't turn up in a party. Waistline, better you wine on the baseline.
I'm loving this. Me, I love it, me, I love it. Thank you, yeah. Thank you. That was a lovely suggestion. Me like you. Me really, really like you. Thanks. Me hear the lyrics, you know. You say, like, you know, matter if a God give you or one surgeon in Miami put it there. Zine, yeah, see, Mr. Two. Make it work. You see me? Make it work. And this girl make it work, your friend. Want see her face though. Body alone, I know enough. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, females. Open up boycott my video, then we can't say that. Nobody not gonna boycott me because everybody who watch my videos, they're beautiful people, right? Beautiful females. So no, there is nothing to boycott. I hope. Oh, fucking hell. I'm sorry. I said the look. Oh boy. I'm gonna do something in the video then. I need to comment on the lyrics. Yes, the lyrics. Those do exist.
What do you think? Make you put your body by me body just so quick. Me a fair of it up, but me nah damage it. Me just pray to God so me can manage it. If you run a wine and I make them at to shake. Or you feel turn up like how you want a king shake. Before you left your yard and you well kitty bait. So you not go stink if you no mind when the baseline.
Like what? I come here to harass me. No, that girl, you're nice. She's nice. And me as a face, she actually nice. One nice one. This for real. She hot. And she have a smile on Jesus Christ that ass. And apparently she has a belly piercing as well. Jano. Would I grab a bar too? Would I look at him off, yes. Look at the man. Man, when did see him before, but me see him, you know. That man there. He look like he meant to take off his clothes already. I'm gonna make no. Oh shit. I can't just look for her, you know. Shit. Alright, but
so your body feel that everybody say, but you not really matter if I judge put it there.
oh, me just hear it. Some people say our body fake, but no matter what they say, if a judge put it there or a surgeon put it there, it no matter, it's still there though. It's like we can't even talk. How the fuck? Jano.
Or if a doctor Miami put it there. We just want to know so you keep your body fit. And if your body took up, if you know your body fit.
Yo! Everybody look like. Wait there, you too? Wait there. I'm wondering if that was planned because honestly speaking, the next vendor walk off same time. I wonder if she just decides that she a broke out. And them old people, they must say what the rest the generation I got to. The whole
the baseline, tell you for your wine on the baseline. But if you connect to your baseline, can't turn up in a party. Baseline, better your wine on the baseline. Tell you for your wine on the baseline. But if you connect to your baseline.
Life sweet, you know? You know, so life sweet though. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Yo. Me love that girl, yeah. Oh, conscience your boy. Peeps, people that are the baseline. I loved it. Me love it. Me don't know which one I prefer. It or the song where Conscience do name back at. Let me say it again. I loved it. Jesus Christ, Conscience body, no? It's just a pity what go on, man, and man just take a step back for a while, but Jano, peeps, I'm not gonna say anything, right? Because obviously you just know to just like, share, subscribe, please and thank you. I'll go ahead and rewatch a video right now.